Okay. So yeah, that's my presentation. It's called Tastes Like Chicken. So basically, I just saw this Chuck Norris fact. If it looks like chicken, tastes like chicken, it feels like chicken, but Chuck Norris says it's beef, so it's beef. So I was thinking about how to model it. So first of all, I define what chicken is. So I define like, oh, damn, it's presentation mode. This, oh, good. Okay. So I define like some interfaces. There are things missing here, but those are like pure virtual classes. C++ does not have really interface. So one interface like looks like chicken, tastes like chicken, and feels like chicken. They have some behavior. And then I can, for instance, I implement some small helper called implement that says something like, I require something that looks like chicken, so I can use it. I can taste something that implements the interface tastes like chicken, and I can use it, and feels like chicken. And I can, for instance, serve chicken. So when I serve chicken, I don't require like the type chicken. I require something that feels like chicken, looks like chicken, and tastes like chicken. I don't need a type chicken. So I can, as this chicken here, this variable, it implements looks like chicken. I can use it as and look. I can taste it because it implements tastes like chicken, and I can feel it because it implements feels like chicken. So I googled for some kind of beef, and I found like the most common one is chuck steak. It's like Chuck Norris chuck steak. So let's implement it. So I basically defined another interface that's like beef cut, because I want my beef to also implement this beef cut, and just to make my example a little bit more complex. And so I have like some concrete beef, and then I have like chuck steak that is beef, as Chuck Norris says. And actually, it's not true, but I'm very bad cook actually. And my chuck steak, it looks like chicken, tastes like chicken, and feels like chicken. And it also like implements beef cut. So it implements all the required methods. It's a final class. So now I can serve it. I can create my steak, which is beef, but it does everything that's required for serve it as chicken. So it tastes like chicken, looks like chicken, feels like chicken, but it's beef, and I can use it. So just again, just to restate the serve chicken function. So Chuck Norris approves it. I can, for instance, I can reduce my requirements. I can, for instance, I want to serve chicken, but I don't require taste. So I want something that implements looks like chicken and feels like chicken. I can call look, but I cannot taste it because it does not implement it tastes like chicken. But still, I can use my chuck steak on this function because it implements like a superset of those things. It's like runtime polymorphism. So there are a lot of bugs. It was like an experiment for a few hours at home. So for instance, if I require something like implements AB, I can pass implements ABC, but I cannot like ACB or CAB because I would need to use like the type list as something like set, ordered set, but I cannot really order types. There's no order between types. So it doesn't work. Is it possible? Maybe, yeah. I mean, okay, maybe, yeah. For instance, implement CAB should be equal to implements ABC, but on my implementation, it doesn't. I don't know how to do that, actually. Or this thing here also should work. Like, if I have something like AB is like combination of interface A and B, implements AB and then C should be equal to ABC. It's logical, I would expect, but it doesn't work for me. I don't know how to implement that. Maybe it's not even possible in C++. It's just sharing an idea. And currently, the max size of type list is 5 because it's implemented, manually. I don't know how to do this using those variadic templates, but just the idea. And don't use this. It's like extremely very fragile, so just an experiment. And the source code is available here. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, as I said, it's like just an idea, because I think interfaces are really, really useful in other languages, you can combine them and do everything, but C++ I really miss this feature, and it's not possible to have it. So yeah, thank you. Questions? It was on C++ 11. Yeah.
What?
I passed like.
The question was if implements as a keyword.
As a keyword? No. What's I didn't get the.
Implement.
Oh, it's a small helper. I can even show the code. It's yeah, it's a template basically. Oh, it's not possible to see, right? Yeah. So what I said? No zoom. I implement every type like in different ways using virtual inheritance. You guys cannot really see that. I don't know how to increase the font size. Control plus? Seriously? No, doesn't work. Yeah.
Before you go into AI.
Where's the?
Now you cannot go out of the eye.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, that's the. It's a template. Yep. Cool. Thank you, guys.